Begin by removing the under trays on both sides of the car, using a 10mm and a trim puller tool. This will allow you to remove the tunnel brace and lower the center section of the exhaust. We also recommend removing the center splash guard. Unbolt the two front hangers from the car. Remove the tunnel brace. Loosen the two rear exhaust clamps and with the exhaust supported, pull off the two hangers above those flanges. Lower that section of the exhaust down. Remove the two center heat shields and upper cross member from the car. Make a cut on both sides of the bottom of the stock Carrier. Then, using a razor blade, cut the frame away from the bearing. Unbolt the frame from the car. Then cut the remaining excess rubber hanging off of the bearing all the way around until it's flush with the base layer of rubber. But keep that base layer of rubber intact. Your bearing should look like this when you're done. You can now install the new Carrier. Start with the top half with the bushing in it and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, take a provided shoulder bolt, add a fender washer, then an isolation damper with the small end facing up. Place it up through the Carrier, add another isolation damper facing down, and the small gold washer on top. Loosely thread that into the car, and repeat these steps on the other side. shoulder bolt, fender washer, isolation damper with the small end facing up through the carrier, another damper facing down, and the small washer on top. Tighten both bolts to the car. Reinstall your 2 heat shields, upper cross member, exhaust, tunnel brace, and under trays, and your installation is complete. You may notice during installation that there are 2 threaded holes on one side of the carrier, and your new one might bolt into a different hole than your OEM carrier. We have 2 models that are interchangeable, so this is nothing to worry about.